Hamster Kombat mini game key puzzle. So we are going to be providing you easy step by which you can solve it step by step. Make sure you watch the video 2-3 times before you practice. And more importantly, our Telegram channel will be sharing daily free key. Make sure you join the Telegram channel. So move the red candle upward, the green candle to the right. Then you move the red candle upward, then the green candle to the right. The green candle at the top, move it to the right also. Then the red candle, move it downward. Then move the key to the left. Then you move the red candle upward. Then you also move the key to the left. Then the red candle, move it upward. Then you adjust the green candle to the left. The 3 green candle, move it to the left. Then the 2 red candle, move it downward. Then you adjust the green candle to the right. Then move the red candle upward. The 2 red candle. Then you move the key to the right. Boom. You get it. So watch the video 2-3 times before you practice and you are going to get it. Do well to subscribe to our channel, like our video. More importantly, make sure you join our Telegram channel to be getting daily free key for your playground game.